Chimoko changu ndoda kukuona siyandisati ndane mbikwadzo. Ndinoda kwenyu wakandiona kuti nganogeza kwazvo. Calling for the softest part of your heart, make a pillow be comfortable. The soul of sick right now, and you is I desire. Yeah, greetings, blessed manners and respect. My name is Poptain from Popsec Engineering, and today I want to tell you about this power bank. This power bank can start up your tap. Jokes aside, hey, people, this is me, and I'm coming to you with the great news to say, remember I told you I was about to drop something new? Yeah, it's time. Tomorrow on my YouTube, it's happening. I have my show going on, and it's called The Road to London, Poptain to the World. People, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed. You will never be disappointed. There is new music, and also I'll be performing your favorite songs. You see me? So it's going to be an experience never done before. As that is Amboitwa, I promise you, nobody have given you this, and I promise you this is not a disappointment, but this is appointment of entertainment. Make them know.
Uyakuno.
Yeah, boy. Woman, you are the most incredible. You only. Don't be fooled because I only look in your way. Girl, I only looking at your way. Girl, I only looking at your way. Zurugitika ku YouTube. Mangwana, the show is starting. It's going to be coming out every day until the 30th of July. Road to London, Poptain to the World. This is mad and massive. Check it out. All courtesy of Creative Culture, sponsored by Just Be Magazine, directed by Rain Jasmine. Yaman big it up to director TK, Devon, and sound by Blau and Shamix. Make them know. Yard boy.